Today is our first of 4 BSAP Family Days that we're having all around the region.
So proud to see our icon, Ms. Dolores Huerta, here to share about Black and brown families as far as healthcare, and just to hear her again encouraging our community.
We are one human race. So I want you to take the hand of the person next to you. We're all going to work together, right? To make sure that we get everything for our children, the education, the physical health, the mental health that they need.
We have medical care, dental exams, eye exams, as well as other health screenings. We have vendors who are providing books to our students. We have food going on, free groceries, just tons of things that we're providing to our families because we really want to make sure that our families are our partners.
Who's got the power? We got power! What kind of power?